Friday, August the 28th. We're following Giorgio on the last leg of our adventure here. We're going into Como Center, and then from Como Center we are going to do a spearhead loop to Bellagio, and from Bellagio down to Lecco, and that's it. That's Giorgio's van up in the front there. I'm technically in the middle of the road, doesn't matter. Far out. Getting a lung full of diesel here. We're having to keep up with him, so hopefully there won't be too much speed. We're now left and try and go in the centre. The centre. Let's see if we can find it. Scusa signore. Centro di Como si va da là. Centro più o meno. Okay, grazie. We've given up on having to motor pace Giorgio in traffic, and we're doing our own thing for a little while. We're just going to do a bit of a touristy spin around Como. The roads are surprisingly quite bad for a town and area that has quite a bit of money. And being on bikes, we're not going to break free. You reckon we can ride our bikes into the church? Only kidding. This is where we came last night. Not many people around at the moment. And there's the lake. Gonna wait for Rudy to turn up. I wonder if he's gone into the church with his bike. Good. Nah, nothing this way, cool. Back around this way. It's not all that spectacular, really, is it? I don't think. This is where we came last night, yeah. What do you reckon we should do here, man? I reckon we should hit the road and get out of here. Dollied up bird. Let's go. High maintenance. We're in Como Centre, so the roads are crap. Oh, some nice villas. Di là.
Però deve fare il giro da dietro di là, guarda.
Scusate.
Giri qua, torni indietro dietro al palazzo e vai in su di là.
Dove? Quella
Di là.
Di là?
A sinistra, passerà dietro questi palazzi.
Ah, sì, sì,
e
sì.
andare alle spalle.
Ho capito, andiamo di là. Dove? Hopefully we can get around without getting run over. Signore, verso Bellagio da qui? Sì, di là. We're on the right road. The obligatory climb. Oh, sorry. Unfortunately, we're there's Rudy. That looks nicer from up here. It's nicer from up here. And we've had a bit of a climb. We're out of the town, thank God. The roads are just shocking, nothing like I remembered. Maybe in a different area or a different place altogether, but not good to ride on. It's 8:24 in the morning. I might as well switch off. You can see a little bit more of it. Should cut down the trees, eh? Oh, here we go. A tunnel. Bring my glasses down a bit. Bit of distance on this one. See if we can find someone's courtyard. A bit Amalfi-ish in some ways, but a lot greener and tidier to a certain extent. Ah, there's Rudy. Hang on, there's a truck there. I'm going to pull over somewhere. It's alright. More views of the lake and surrounds.
Holes in the ground.
Well, this is Bellagio, and we just stopped the guy and he said there's nothing here, so we haven't had breakfast because the place where we stayed at, the Chateau del Tiglio, they had really good food at night, but breakfast wasn't until 9 in the morning. Breakfast, and we're supposed to have met Giorgio in Bellagio for brekkie. Bed and breakfast here, eh? So we're going to go on to the next town. Might be able to see it. Torno, this is the town. We'll have to ring him and tell him we're here. There's a bar here after the tunnel or something. Beautiful forestry up there. Switch off. It's so nice to see that light at the end of the tunnel. Bar. Hit the skids. Gonna do a quick whip around up here and hopefully we can get a nice view. Someone's parking spot. Oh, I like this. Ah, Tres good. Very good. There's the old gru. See the car streaming up there. The morning sunlight.